To switch wallets in Trust Wallet, start by opening the application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the top left corner where you will see a hamburger icon. Tap on it to reveal a menu. From this menu, select the option that says Wallets. In the Wallets section, you will see a list of all the wallets you have created in Trust Wallet. To create a new wallet, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. This will take you to a screen where you can either import an existing wallet or create a new one. To create a new wallet, select the Create a Wallet option and follow the prompts to back up your wallet. This is a crucial step as it will ensure you can recover your funds in case you lose access to your device. Once you have created a new wallet, you can switch between wallets by going back to the Wallets section and selecting the wallet you want to use. It is essential to remember that each wallet in Trust Wallet has its own unique address and set of private keys. Always keep your private keys and recovery phrases safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. When switching between wallets, make sure to verify the wallet address before sending or receiving any cryptocurrency. This will ensure that your funds are going to the correct wallet and will help prevent any potential losses. By following these steps, you can easily switch between wallets in Trust Wallet and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio effectively. Always prioritize the security of your wallets and follow best practices to protect your funds.